Hello, this is Kenji, and welcome to another Joyful Tune-In. Today we're going to do the power of joy. Joy is your essential energy. It is the essence, along with love, that created you, your consciousness, and your body. So today we're going to tap in and we begin to remember the power of joy and how it can affect all aspects of your life. Okay, let's take a slow, deep, and long breath. Come into the now moment. Come into the focus through the body, relaxing all the muscles in the body. Coming into this now moment, I am here, I am now, I am. I am now going to remember as well as receive the power of joy. Go very deep into the higher dimensions of self, remembering how to tap into that frequency, that vibration called joy. It is that which inspires creativity. It is that energy that initiates healing in the body and in the mind. It is that energy that brings forward movement into manifestation for all your creations. It comes from that place called oneness, from the heart of creation. So think back to the last time in your life or in another life where you were that power of joy being made manifest on earth. Allow your body to remember that feeling. Allow the mind to recall that feeling. Allow your consciousness to embrace once again that innate power of creation, joyfulness, bliss, ecstasy, divine happiness, deep inner peace. And begin to breathe in that power of joy now into all aspects of your life. Relationships, work, spiritual practice. And begin to program that power to be in your dream time and to work through your body when you are asleep each and every night. Power of joy as the healer, as the teacher, as the way shower. So allow this energy of joy now to move throughout the rest of your day into dream time, into this whole next week. Remembering that you came from joy, that you were birthed through joy, the joy of being, the joy of awareness, the joy of love. So thank you for tuning in. Have a very blessed week. Be joyful, be glad, appreciate, be of good cheer. Many blessings.